this volatility 31S index, a new index introduced newly by Deriv. This index has been existing for about 3 weeks now. Not much data on this index, as we can see on the daily time frame. We have about, let's count the days of existence: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 days of existence on this index. And on this index existence, we had a decline in price value, which this index opened on the price value of 7,891. We had these little gains. Price rose to the price value of 8,171 before we had a decline, a massive decline in price value, and price is currently at 7,008. Yeah, it fell to as low as 6,874. So what do we expect of this index? As we've got a decline in price value, do we expect this index to gain value in the coming days and weeks, or are we to get a continuation of price decline in value on this index? So looking at the 4 time frame chart, we can see the clear bearish structure where price has been on a downtrend, creating series of lower highs and lower lows formation. Always look out for the market structure firstly whenever I want to analyze the market, whenever I want to look out for trade opportunities. As you can see, this index has been on a downtrend. So after spotting out the market structure on the 4 time frame, which is clear this index is bearish, the next thing you have to do is to spot out the market levels and zones which has formed in the past days of this index existence. So we have one of those levels at this point, the level of 7,042, which we've got price buy on, got these little buys, was a break and retest price. So the little, these little cells here, price, but on this level as well as a support, buy support, and currently the market is reacting to this level as a resistance, which we could get the sells to the downside. The next level we got is at this point, that of same price, buy on, getting the buy support. There's a sell here, resistance. So let's work with these two levels because of the levels close to price value. So moving forward to the 1 hour time frame, we can see the reactions clearly on this index on a bearish market structure. So this means only one thing, which is the sell continuation, the sell move to the downside on how we've gotten price. That's this level that's been formed. So the sell to the downside is expected on this index. And I also think the sells would be on a short-term note because we've got the market create a bullish structure on this 1 hour time frame, having the size of higher lows and higher highs. So this could just mean price giving a retracement or a bullish continuation. We could see price come to test this trend support level, then we get the bullish continuation on this index. Being that this index started with a decline in value, I expect this index to gain value in the coming days and weeks, at least for price to get back to this area on the daily time frame. So I have the buy expectations, I have the bullish expectations on this index, looking at the structure that has been formed on the 1 hour time frame. Yes, the market is on a downtrend overall, got this overall bearish structure, but I still expect this index to buy. Yeah, and when we look closely, we'll see that we still got a reversal pattern formation that's been formed at this point, an inverted head and shoulders pattern formation, which is a bullish reversal pattern. Letting price from the left shoulder there, the head at this point, and the right shoulder here basically. Yeah, so this is a bullish reversal pattern formation, and you could see price drop into this area for the bullish continuation, and this is actually the neckline of this pattern formation because we got the break out of this neckline. So this will just be price coming to retest this neckline for the bullish continuation. So I'm anticipating on the buys on this index. I expect this index to buy up in the coming hours and minutes. And for more confirmations on this buy area, the neckline of this reversal pattern formation, I'll be bringing up the Fibonacci retracement to place it on this recent swing low and dragging it up to the recent swing high. And you can see that this 1.8 fib level aligns with our buy area, same as the 50.0 fib level. So we have buy possibilities at this point on this index. So all I'll do right now is wait for price to sell into my buy zone. Then I'll look out for confirmations at this point to buy this index. So we have a lot of buy reasons on this index. Firstly is the bullish structure I spotted on the 1 hour time frame, which we've got the market create series of higher lows and higher highs. This is a high, another high, higher high, and the last high that came to test this level. Yeah, and the higher lows as well, having a low, a higher low, and you could see a possible higher low formation which would get the buys on. So the next reason is this reversal pattern formation that we spotted on the 1 hour time frame and inverted head and shoulders, left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. This is the second reason why we're looking at for the buys on this index. The third reason is this level, the neckline of this reversal pattern formation that has been broken, which we could see price come give a retest of it. And for an extra confirmation on our buy zone, we brought up the Fibonacci retracement to reach this 1.8 fib level, and 50.3 fib level confirms this zone to be a good buy zone. So all I do right now is wait for price to sell into my buy zone, which I'll be looking at for some rejections at this point to buying this index. And you guys can as well take advantage of this nice buy opportunity coming up on this new index. And I'm getting the buys from this area. We could get a break of this zone that's been formed, this level that we spotted on the 4 hour time frame and on the 1 hour time frame. Put the price break past this level, then further buys. So this next area, this highs, the level of 7,242, and possibly we could see price buy up to this next level, 7,565, and still more buy. So that's it, guys. That's my view and analysis on the 31S index. So for more market analysis like this and market breakdown, do well to smash the like button and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support for engaging in my videos. So it means a lot, guys. Let's do more and have a wonderful day.